Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing great. I recently bought a Philips food processor as my old chopper had some issues. So, this is an unboxing video of the product and how to use it. Please note that this is not a sponsored video of any kind. I was looking for a basic food processor with everyday functions like chopping, slicing and shredding. This also comes with a blender jar for mixed drinks and shakes. The model that I am using is HR7631. There is another model available which does not have a blender jar, and some models include other functions like kneading dough, etc. So depending upon your preference, you can choose different models. Moving on to the functions, let's start with grating or shredding. The plastic disc needs to be assembled with the grating blade with a click sound. Place the shaft onto the motor unit. Attach the ball clockwise to fix it. When the ball is fixed correctly, you can hear a click sound. Now goes the plastic disc, followed by the lid. See, you can see there is a lock out here. Unless and until it is perfectly locked, it will not work. Adding carrot through the feeder. Similarly, shredding the beetroot as well. Since it is not going through the feeder, it has to be cut into small pieces. Now the slicing blade. I find it really useful for slicing 3 to 4 onions at a stretch for making biryanis. Moving on to the chopping part, this is the chopping blade. Here I am going to chop 1 onion, a piece of ginger and 3 green chilies for making scrambled eggs. 2 speed options are available, 1 and 2, and on the left hand side pulse option is available. Everything has got chopped finely. This is the plastic 2-liter blender jar. This blender is mainly intended for blending fluids like dairy products, fruit juices, soups, mixed drinks and shakes, or mixing soft ingredients like pancake batter, pureeing cooked ingredients like baby food. Here I am going to make banana milkshake. So here adding one banana, give it a pulse so that it gets mixed really well. Into it goes 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar or as per your preference. Here I am going to make 1 cup of milkshake. So for that I am taking 3/4 of a cup of milk. Initially add half of the milk and blend it really well so that all the ingredients get mixed completely. Now add the rest of the milk and mix it well. You may also add ice cubes at this point. Banana milkshake is done. It can be served in a serving glass or cup. I find this product quite useful. It is a great help in my daily kitchen activities and saves time. What I am using is a basic model. There are many models available in the market with different functions. You can choose as per your preference. I find this product a perfect value for money. Hope you liked this video. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section below. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.